Hello. If you install home theaters or smart homes, then this video could help you build a reliable, protected, stable setup with improved performance. IsoTek, the leading British high-end hi-fi clean power management manufacturer, is now supplying its recently upgraded rack-mountable 1U and 2U smart power PDUs worldwide. We will list three of the many features provided: sequential rebooting and remote on-off management, integration with Crestron, Control4, and others, reporting, event, and timer capabilities. In this second video, we dive deeper into the features of the smart power PDUs from IsoTek. We will discuss some of the attributes that can help you, a home theater or smart home installer, have happier customers. Those annoying random reboots, speaker hiss, and amplifier hum can be eliminated by IsoTek's proprietary multi-level clean power filtering technology. By removing electrical noise on the circuit, TVs produce better, crisper, and sharper pictures, audio jumps to life, and creates a more immersive soundstage. You can log in remotely via any web browser, whether you have an ancient PC or the latest Mac, and view the smart console, where you can monitor every connected device, restart a troublesome appliance, or sequentially reboot every power outlet socket. The facility of producing a constant ping to a connected networking device allows an automatic reboot of a router or switch should it go offline. Integration into Control4 or Crestron and other control systems allows you to create events and alerts that inform you of potential issues, or gain knowledge of power usage by individual elements of the installation. Lastly, all of IsoTek's clean power technology PDUs include a massive amount of instantaneous amperage protection from power spikes up to 54,000 amps. This ensures your client's investment is fully secure from electrical surges and brownouts. A third video for both home theater and smart home installers will discuss the best products whether the installation has a small or high budget. Every installation can benefit by upgrading the power cables, as standard black cables supplied with electronics products are mass-produced, poor quality, low cost, and often use aluminium coated with a copper plate. The entry-level IsoTek Initium power cable uses a heavier gauge multi-strand twisted high-quality copper, better protection from interference, and utilizes high-quality connectors. All IsoTek cables are manufactured to offer superior performance. Recently, DC noise on the AC electrical circuit has become a common problem. LED lighting, air conditioning, EV chargers, solar panel inverters, and chargers for phones, computers, Wi-Fi routers, etc. all pollute the home with unwanted DC on the mains. This can cause amplifier hum, decreased audio quality, lowered picture clarity, and reduced reliability of any electronic item containing a transformer. The IsoTek V5 Synchro Uni DC Blocker's innovative DC cancelling system eliminates the unwanted DC, delivering a fully rebalanced AC signal. This has the potential to upgrade and enhance the entire audio-visual experience. If your installation contains a rack, the entire IsoTek PDU range will be exceedingly advantageous. Unique multi-layer power filtering, instantaneous high-amperage surge and brownout protection, smart features including remote access via any web browser to view the smart console, where you can monitor every connected device, restart a troublesome appliance, or sequentially reboot every power outlet socket. Integration into Control4, Crestron, and other control systems allows you to create events and alerts that inform you of potential issues or gain knowledge of power usage by individual elements of the installation. Smaller, lower-budget home theaters can still benefit from the IsoTek PowerBar range, including the entry-level Polaris, with a filtering topology providing 6 fully isolated sockets, eliminating cross-contamination by any device. IsoTek's heritage and expertise in clean power technology for the audio-visual industry is proven with 25 years' experience, supplying over 50 countries worldwide. IsoTek is a British company, employing British engineers, with a factory manufacturing in the European Union, assembling our products by hand. Tech support is provided by human beings, with decades of industry experience as opposed to chatbots. This means you can depend on a company with outstanding support and product quality. If you're an installer and want to talk with us in more detail about how we can help you or get more information, use the QR code below or message us on WhatsApp at +44784 153 7760.